Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a video showcasing all my my Noteblock doorbells, and I only have a tiny bit. So this is the Darth Vader, song, or as you other people say it, the Imperial March. So here we go. So that's it. Over here, I think, yeah, this is Nyan Cat. And no, I did not make these up myself. I watched the videos, and this is Pink Fluffy Unicorns Dancing on Rainbows. I also have infinite mode. You ready? It keeps on going on infinite mode. It's kind of annoying. Oh, okay. And over here is my own song. Yeah, I think this is my own song. Yeah, that is it. Now this, this is what the fox says. I know, it sounds horrible. This, yeah, Darth Vader stuff. This is another short thing that I made. Yeah, what you're really supposed to do is just put redstone between these two blocks so it goes on forever. So this is how it's supposed to sound. But yeah, it sounds ugly like that. So yeah. So those are all my Noteblock doorbells. So, oh gosh. And so the person who I did the tutorials on was FedEx, and I'm not the company that sends you mail stuff. I don't know what that company, FedEx. Yeah, I'm talking about FedEx 26922. He makes these tutorials, and they're really simple and easy, and so I really follow him. And he does other stuff too. But yeah, I just really like his videos. So bye guys.